Can you get full custody without going to court? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're seeking full custody of your child, you may be wondering if it's possible to do so without going to court. The good news is that in some cases, parents can agree on custody arrangements without a judge deciding for them. Today, we'll go over how to get full custody without a courtroom battle. The easiest way to get full custody without going to court is if both parents agree. In California, parents can create their own custody arrangement, including full custody for one parent, as long as the agreement is in writing, signed by both parents, and submitted to the court for approval. Even though the agreement is handled outside of court, the court must approve it to ensure it serves the child's best interests. If the other parent does not immediately agree to full custody, mediation can be a useful alternative to court. A mediator can help both parents work out an arrangement that is fair and reasonable. Once an agreement is reached, it must still be submitted to the court for approval, but the process is much smoother than litigation. If the other parent is absent, uninvolved, or does not contest the request for full custody, you may be able to file for a default custody order. This requires submitting a request to the court showing that the other parent has failed to participate. If they do not respond within the required time frame, the court may grant full custody without a hearing. At Divorce 661, we help parents create and file full custody agreements without unnecessary court battles. If your ex is uninvolved or doesn't respond, we can help you file for default custody, ensuring you get the legal rights you need while keeping the process simple. Recently, we helped a mother who had been the primary caregiver for years, while the father had little to no involvement. Instead of going to court, we guided her through filing a stipulated custody agreement that the father signed. Because both parents agreed, the process was quick, inexpensive, and stress-free. If you need full custody and want to explore your options without a drawn-out legal battle, we can help. Visit Divorce661.com today for a free consultation, and let's get started on a custody plan that works for you.